We have got an amazing car here, folks, a 1965 Corvette fuel injection. They made 771 of these total in 1965 because it was the last year they made them up until the 1982. And this one arguably is one of the nicest ones in existence. I couldn't imagine one being any more perfect than this. Number matched throughout. It's nut and bolt concourse restored. Go to volocars.com. You can look at this car and all of our inventory. We have a couple hundred cars for sale with prices and description and pictures. That's at volocars.com. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. If you're going to take this for a spin, which we will later, Caleb will take you for a drive, you better hold on. It's 375 horsepower with a 4-speed, 411 gears, and those pipes are going to be roaring. So the body, it's the coupe. You know, if you've been watching the videos, the coupes are actually more desirable than the convertible because that awesome roof line, how it comes to a point, just a good-looking car. So how many Fuelie coupes were made out of the 771? I don't know, maybe about half or so. But anyway, the body fit and finish is amazing. It's better than it was when it left the factory. I'm sure of that. The doors fit all the way around, shut like a new car. I'm not seeing any hairline crack or shrinkage or damage. This body is looking pristine. It's painted its original silver pearl color. The metal flake is all laid out evenly. It's polished like glass, which again, from the factory, they probably weren't like glass. So it's probably better than new. And this is all amazing. Let me close this door. See, this door has to fit all the way around, and it does. It lines up square and flush, one of the nicest I've seen. The hood all lines up. This is all amazing condition. All lines up square. The headlights open and close properly. I literally didn't find a flaw. I'm looking, and again, cover my butt. Doesn't mean there isn't a flaw, but I don't see any. It's amazing. All the chrome, of course, the emblems, the bumpers, the grille, the lights, the bezels, even the wiper arms, even the little squirters, they all look like they've been redone or replaced. All the glass was replaced, and it looks like it has the correct codes on it. The seals and window strips were replaced. Door handles are new. Obviously, it has the side exhaust system. The pop-up gas cap, it's all sparkly and new. Has a power antenna, tail lights, everything looks amazing. And then, of course, it's sitting on a set of the reproduction knockoff wheels with radial goldline tires, so it should ride nice too. So that's the incredible exterior. Let's open it up. We're going to show you the interior and that Fuelie sitting under the hood. We even have a Buy It Now button on our website. You see a car you really like, you click the button, get it locked in for yourself before someone beats you to it. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. We post several new videos a week. Right now we have 253 cars in inventory. Yeah, you can see the jams, the latches, the hardware. The weather strip is all pristine. The door panel is mint, the knobs, all new shiny chrome. Even up front, look by the hinges, it's beautiful. I said I couldn't imagine one being better than this car. All of this is restored, all the gauges with the green lettering. 6500 red line, that's unique for the Fuelie. I think the 80-pound oil pressure is as well. All of this is beautiful. Quartz movement in the clock. The glove box door. Inside the glove box, the light, the pouch, all of this looks like new. Kick panel, carpet, the correct floor mats, they were clear plastic. The whole console, the right shifter, the seat belts are correct. Everything is just mint. New cushions in the seat. The upholstery fits tight as a drum. All of this is beautiful. All new carpet front to back. It's not falling down. All the trim, the headliner, the dome light, like new. I'm sitting here falling in love, thinking I should raise the price on this one because these are not easy to come by. Beautiful deluxe wheel. Yeah, really nice. Even if you looked up under the dash, looked at the wiring, everywhere you look, just like new. There's other cars out there, but this car is not out there. So this engine is a big deal. It's a Fuelie engine, 375 horsepower out of a small block. Back then it was crazy. And this is detailed and restored. The GM hoses, the right finned valve covers, ignition shielding. See stuff like this, the paint markings, the big air cleaner setup, hoses and clamps, the stamps. Everything on this car is authentic and restored like new. And the car functions like new as well. This is a beautiful Fuelie unit. That's something I'd have sitting on a shelf in my office. The right fuel filter, the deep groove pulleys so the belts don't fly off at high RPMs, all the wiring, even a Delco battery. Oh, it's an actual Delco battery, not just a topper. You know, with the spring clamp cables, the right expansion tank. Yep, it's awesome under here. Caleb's going to take you for a drive, and you're going to see what this thing really can do.
Guys, we are in the Fuelie vet. This is probably my favorite Corvette that's here right now. It's just a very nice restoration, but we're going to take it around the block, show you how it drives. Just first impression, getting in, sitting down, seats are nice, the interior is nice, everything looks brand spanking new, just like it should be. The smell in here, it's not gunked up with a bunch of products, it just smells like a fresh restoration that's been done. Just the quality is here in this car. So far over the bumps, feels pretty smooth. I don't feel anything in the steering wheel that would be alarming. Looks like all the gauges are functional, all the auxiliary gauges, the tach and the speedometer, even the clock's working. The side pipes, and can't get enough of that sound. They just roar. Coming up to a little bit of traffic here, so we might have to wait, but the power antenna does work. I tried that. The switch is under here, goes up, the radio works. I don't have the antenna up, but the sound's there. The speakers are working. Even the electronic headlights are converted. Those pop up flawlessly. The wipers, test those out. Those are functional. Very nice. They suck back down properly. Idle's good, it sounds good. There's nothing to, no disappointments in this car. The clutch feels really great. Shifts through the gear nice. Let's get her up to speed, see what she has. Turn signal lights up, we'll see if it cancels. Listen to that sound, can't get enough of it. Love the side pipes on this thing. We are cruising right now, guys. I don't feel anything strange. It feels good over the bumps. You can get in this car and drive it. I know if I owned it, I would want to drive it, because I'm enjoying it way too much right now. Steering feels great, no weird vibrations, drives straight. This thing's turnkey, get in and drive it. Start her up and take her for a rip.
Okay, you guys better not have hit any puddles, because underneath this car is immaculate, literally. It's not aged, it's not got cobwebs or dusty or dirty. It is detailed like new. Body was off the frame, of course, every single component taken apart and replaced or restored back to factory specs. Independent suspension front and back. This is the first year for four-wheel disc brakes. That makes a 65 much more desirable than a 64. And we're talking about its rarity. They made about 10,000 Fuelies in 63. And how many did I tell you they made of these? 771 altogether. So all the brakes, brake lines, e-brake cables, all been redone. The floors are immaculate floors. The starter underneath there is the original, has the correct canister type oil filter. It has the VIN number matching Muncie 4-speed transmission, restored drive shaft, has its original 411 posi rear end. It's dated and coded to this car. Spare tire carriers underneath there, it's all complete. Every nut and bolt, it just looks like new throughout this car. Again, this one's special. This isn't the other Corvettes that you find out there. This is the best. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. He'll help answer your questions, including how do you get this to your driveway and how do you get the financing if you need it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.